So looking at this question 22 on this primary paper, Karen's class and Jackie's class are sharing some apples. Okay, the wording's not that great, but if all the apples, so there's some fixed amount of apples were shared between everyone, then they'd have 6 apples each. If you just share them with Karen's class, the students in Karen's class would have 10 apples each. If you just shared them in Jackie's class, how many apples would they have each? So it's kind of a funny question, because in primary school, like, if you don't know any algebra, it's a this could be quite a task to think through this. And if you did know algebra, it's actually not completely trivial. I mean, but it definitely gets much easier. And it seems like if someone couldn't do this and you wanted to teach them, it might be easier to teach them algebra than it would be to teach them how to do it without algebra. Yeah, so here's some random scratch work that I had from someone. And so we let the number of people in Karen's class be m, number of people in Jackie's class be n, and the total number of apples be a. Okay? So saying that they have 6 each when they split up is saying a divided by m plus n is equal to 6. And just for Karen's class, it means a divided by m is equal to 10. And then the question is to find what's a divided by n. Okay. So it's not completely trivial how to do that, because you can't just break this up straight away. But, you know, you could flip it, and that would make it easy. So you flip it and it gets a 6, and then you can break it up. And then when you break it up, and you flip that to make it a 10th, and you put it in for this. And then you subtract 1/10 from both sides, and you get n over a. Common denominator was 1 over 15. So then you flip it back, a over n is equal to 15. Okay, so it's not completely trivial even with algebra, but it's really easy compared to actually having to think all that through. I guess the difficulty is you have to kind of store this information somehow. And if your memory is not too great, it might be difficult.